I'm getting ready to start work on a little steam engine. I have a couple of these casting sets, and one of the challenges in here is when you work with castings is holding them. The castings rarely have nice straight sides to them. They have to have draft in the pattern. If you look at the base, you'll see that it's got an angle to it on every side. There's not a flat side anywhere. And in order to hold it in a vise or something, you need to be able to do that. Here you can see the sprue, a piece of the sprue left where the molten metal came into the mold, and there. These are different sizes. These are end caps for the cylinder. So I made these little collets. This one's double-ended, and on one end you can fit in one of them. And then it's got a slit down the side of it, if you can see that there. And so you can put that in your 3-jaw chuck and squeeze that down, and it grips it real good, and then you can machine that. On the other end, I have it machined down to fit the casting here. Now, as soon as you get busy machining this, one of the first things you do with this part here is you turn the outside diameter down to 1 inch, so it won't fit in the collet, this other collet anymore. This one I already done. I have 2 of these kits I'm building, and we're going to put them together in a little generator project. Have them drive this. I'll have a battery charger circuit. You'll be able to use these to charge your cell phone. So if you find any of that interesting, be sure and subscribe. But this is the one. This one has been machined, the outside diameter down to 1 inch. So I made this collet. It's a little wider here. So you can put it in this way to machine that side. Of course, before I machine this down, it has to be machined down to about 1/16 of an inch. I'll put it in this direction and machine the boss and get that all done. That has to hold a packing gland and everything. So anyways, if you enjoy hobby machining, steam engines, etc., subscriptions are free through Christmas this year.
and that'll work. Thanks for watching. Good help is so hard to find these days, but the next best thing is some eager help.